Hey guys, welcome back to another video, sort of, a little bit different. Today's video did not work out the way I wanted to. Not catastrophe or anything, car's still fine, just a little more ratchet. It'll start as a normal video and it kind of goes downhill, and you'll see my moods take a shift for the worst as it goes on. So I'm still uploading it. You know, this is a real channel. This is the real me. So I want to show even my blunders. Even though it wasn't my fault, sadly, it just happens like this on used cars. It's a used car. It's from 2016. That's new to me, but it's still old. And it's a cheap car, plastics and everything. Sometimes that stuff happens. So as much as it sucks, enjoy the video. Watch me in pain. With that being said, motor mounts are next. They're coming hopefully soon, and we'll get some new motor mounts on this thing. And I will see you guys later. See ya. Yo, so welcome back. Today we're doing another mod on the Fiesta Gasly. It's a little more complicated than I thought. Excuse me, horse, thank you. We're doing wing risers on the Fiesta ST because I'm a really big fan of the wing that is stock. I just think it's just a little too flush. It's not aggressive looking enough. So this is from Velocitech, and they are wing risers. I got dark purple. Name of the car is Gasly, so we're going to be doing a kind of a black and dark purple theme. So today we're going to be installing these wing risers. Not sure it's going to be an exact install, but I'm going to try my best. You guys are just kind of going to come with me with my struggles and all that. Hopefully the audio is going to sound good in this video. I swear I'm getting more professional as we go. Let's go. Let's start installing. Let's start by removing the wing on the Fiesta ST, starting with the third brake light here, and then we will continue on. All right, so the brake light is out. It is just two Torx T20s, and then you got your actual connection for the bulb, and then you got your windshield wiper fluid. Just pull that out of the little nipple there, and then we can set that there. I have a little pot here. I have my Torx bit and then my screws in there. So next, razor up, and there are some bolts we need to take out. Next up was we got this. This is just a plug we can pull out, and there is a bolt up there. You guys can't see, but it's in there, right there. And we got these two. It doesn't say we have to take out this one, but it kind of looks like it does need to be taken out. So just for convenience, I'm going to be taking this out. It looks like just a normal screwdriver. So I'm pretty sure these are 8s, and I'm not sure what's in here, so I'm going to figure that out. But we will I will at least take off one side. So again, there are 6, supposedly, maybe 8 if these guys need to be taken out. So vigilant viewers may notice I haven't gotten far, if at all. This was a fail. Sadly, I'm not sure if it was a manufacturer defect or someone messing up putting like a replacement wing on. These 2 bolts here, which are vital, because that's where risers go, were torqued in so tightly it broke the wing on the other side. So there are gaping holes. No way to put screws in. The only way I could think of is buy a new wing, or get some crazy plastic weld kind of stuff. Otherwise, it is busted. So I'm calling a loss. I could get a new wing or whatever, but you know what? It's an uphill battle. For now, wings staying the same. This is a lame video, and I'm pretty disappointed, obviously. Thankfully, the stock wing looks good. I just wish it was raised, hence why I spent the money. But nothing I can do about it. So I will post this video just to show everyone cars suck sometimes and things don't work out the way you want all the time. So as much as it sucks, at least I was able to reinstall the wing on. I was worried I wouldn't even be able to get it on, but we did. So I'll put on the third brake light and call it a day. No mod for the ST today, so that sucks. So hopefully motor mounts are coming soon. They haven't shipped yet, but motor mounts will be the next thing, and hopefully we'll have some better luck with that because I desperately need some motor mounts. So big L today, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.